Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Education Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning students. In this video session, I would like to explain about some of the population interactions. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುನ್ನಾಡಿ video, we started with the population interaction introduction. What are the different type of population interaction? That two things we completed. Predation we completed, parasitism we completed. In the predation and parasitism, one of the interaction species will get benefit, another one get harmed. But now in this video, remaining 4 interactions I will explain. What are the remaining 4? One is competition, second one commensalism, third one mutualism, the last amensalism. Amensalism point we want to discuss. So we will start with the first competition. Dear students, see here population interactions 6, predation and then parasitism already we completed. In this video about a competition, generally we know what is the meaning of competition. Okay, competition mean generally for students wise, for marks wise you are all very competent. In the classroom, in this classroom, I mean not in this classroom means in your class, some of the students are competent for gaining of more marks. So that is a competition. So competition wise, what will happen means when the competition is happen in between the two persons or two species, all are, I mean which is the components both are will be suffered. Okay, two are getting something problem. For example, I am not at starting about anything, still introduction. Okay, not at going on topic, just I am giving the introduction only. If one organisms, two species of organisms are fighting for one resource, either food or shelter, in that time, at that competition time, both are getting wounds of their body, or sometimes one organism maybe will lose something major. Okay, I mean more, but either little bit or maximum, both species will be affected, that in the negative way. So in the competition time, both are get something loss or harmness. So that is the, here I explain. See, come to the point, closely related species that compete for the same resources. Here resources may be food item or maybe shelter or place, particular place, at the limiting of one factor. That factor may be food items or places, surrounding place. But it is not at always truth. What they are conveying mean, here not at necessary to all the times close related species. Close related species not only competition occurs, unrelated organisms also will show the competition. Okay, basically when you saying about the competition definition, this closely related word we are using, but closely related word, closely related organisms or species are not at always truth. So that's why here I mentioned, but it is not at always a truth. Sometimes totally unrelated species could also compete for the same resources. That only I said. Okay. So either related organisms or non-related organisms fight for or compete for what they need. What they need? They need only one thing that will be happens in our general life itself also. When the commodities are very less, okay, groceries are very less in the shop, the price will be increased, groceries price will be increased because of competition. Consumers are very more, but producers are very less, so that's why competition will cause. By the competition, groceries price will be increased. So that is a one general explanation of competition. So here example, some of the information we want to know about the competition. In the NEET, these interactions wise several logical questions they will ask. So should be understand properly. Here flamingos and fishes, aquatic medias, flamingos and fishes both are different species, but both are belongs to water body organisms. Those are common food, those and all compete for one common food. That common food is zooplanktons. These zooplanktons are food for these flamingos and then fishes. Okay. So in the one particular place they are given in the South American lakes. So the common food resources is available for two species. Okay. Maybe which is the dominant one in these two components, which is the dominant one that will be get something more food. Okay. Another will be get something problem. That problem means very less. For example, generally I am explaining one example. When we are conducting one fighting between the two components or boxing competition. In the boxing competition, when the two opponent persons are doing fighting in the boxing court, two persons will get wounds. Two persons get by the beatings of the opponent persons. But which person is more stronger than the opponent, such a person will win. But finally, two persons will get something problem. So here, as like when the two different type of species are component for the one common resources, here example only food, instead of the food maybe sometime place shelter wise. Okay. So finally it will leads to the something negative effect of the both species. Okay. Here generally not at given any negative, but what in my explanation I am saying fishes are more dominant than the flamingos. Okay. Fishes will get more productivity than the flamingos. That is a example. Okay. Then interference of the competition. See some of the things want to discuss in the competition wise. Feeding efficiency of one species in the competition, that only now I said. In the competition, two species, one species will be more efficient than the another species. Now come with here these two components, fish is a more dominant than these flamingos. Okay. So which one is a more benefited? Fishes. Which one is a less benefited? Flamingos is a less benefited. So that example, one more example here. Feeding efficiency of the one species in the competition, that will be gives the one species will be problematic. Here one example, goats are introduced into the one place. That place is a Galapagos Island. Galapagos Island we seen in evolution, Darwin's theory time we discussed, because of Darwin natural selection theory is understood at the place of these Galapagos Island. Correct na? Then in this place, in the Galapagos Island, first basically more dominant of the tortoise. more dominance of tortoise. These tortoise are when that goats are introduced in the Galapagos Island, the tortoise are extincted because of tortoise, and then goats are common food is a little bit grass item. That grass item over eaten by the goats, so that will be affected to the tortoise. So here goat is more efficient than the tortoise. So tortoise species will be affected. So that the tortoise species is extincted. Okay, and then here that only they represented in the one word sentence. Then one sentence, intrinsic rate of natural increase. Somewhere you heard these one more time I am saying nana, intrinsic rate of natural increase, that indicates in the form of the small r in the time of in the letter form of small r. That small r we seen in exponential curve. That intrinsic rate of natural increase we denoted in the letter small r. When you read about exponential curve, idukku munnadi videos, 2 videos previously we discussed about these exponential curve. In the exponential curve, when the abundant resources are very more, some of the organisms are grown very fast, rapid growth is there, that only r, that will be giving the chance by the natural increase. That means here goat having their ability to gain the more food item than the tortoise, so that's why naturally these and all having the more efficiency. Wantedly those and all not at showing anything. Best by goats efficiency only by naturally it is given by the natural efficiency. So that efficiency only giving the chance of their goat rate is increasing and then tortoise rate is decreasing. So here each and every organisms their intrinsic rate given by the naturally. That R value is differ from the different species we seen in the last videos, that only I explained. Now recall that one. Okay, then I am going with another thing. Up to now we are discussing about the computation, one of the factor, and then competitive release. In the competitive release time, computation means you are all understand it. When the two different species organisms are interaction for or depends upon the one common factor, computation will arise. In this time one organism is more superior, one organism is more dominant here, more efficient than the another organism. Now which is the more efficient organism? If that efficient organism wantedly we removed, experimentally when you removed that one, automatically superior organisms number will be increases. See nana competitive release. Okay, when you are keeping the two persons in the one competition, for one competition, in that dominant person unknowingly or wantedly we create the something obstacle to that efficient person, he not yet attended the competition. So who will win? Basically who is a more stronger person, that person will win, that is a normal statement. But the stronger person not attended the class, not attended the competition, so automatically which is the suppressed organism, that suppressed organism will be affected. So here competitive release time, when one of the two component species is removed from the one area, competition happened by the in between of the two species. In that two species one organism will be removed. That which organism will removed? Which is a superior organism. If you remove the superior organism, inferior organism will be, smaller organisms will get something relaxation, something freedom. By the effect of that freedom, that organism's number will increases. See here nana, one of the rocky sea coastal area and Scotland places, here Bernacles are very more, okay, Belanus Bernacles are very more dominant. Okay, along with that Bernacles, Chantanamalas, these are very small, that number is very less in number. Now which is the dominant? These Bernacles are very more in number. When we removing that superior organisms wantedly, experimentally, when you removing that automatically which is the which organisms are very less in number, those organisms will get freedom to grow very fast. Okay, because of we are removing that superior organisms, that only here intrinsic rate will be increasing for these smaller, I mean suppressed organisms. That here I mentioned removing of the normal bernacles, dominant bernacles, when we removing automatically it will influence the increasing of the smaller or suppressor organisms. That is under we discussed in competitive release. Because competitive release there is no any competition. In the two components in the one competition, one component wantedly we are removing. Okay, so that is a competitive release. And then Gauss principle, one more important phenomena in the competition, under competition, Gauss principle, Gauss competitive exclusion principle. In this inferior one in the competition species is eliminated. Okay, that means basically interaction between the two components of the two different species. In that always efficient, one species is more efficient than the another one. So here which one is more efficient, that more efficient species is more show their effect on the ecosystem, automatically inferior organisms will be removing from that total, eliminated from that ecosystem. Inferior means which organism having the very less efficiency, superior means more efficient. So more efficient organisms are utilizing their food resources in the more in that ecosystem. Lack of food availability, sufficient food availability, inferior organisms are eliminated in that ecosystem. That only Gauss principle. Okay, then here we the comparison between these two. Here competitive release time superior organisms are eliminated. Lack of superior organisms, inferior organisms are increasing their number. Correct na? Here superior organisms are not yet eliminated. Superior organisms are rapid increasing by that using of the over exploitation, over usage of the food items, nutritions. By that inferior ones will be eliminated from the ecosystem. Okay, these two are opponent principles. And then resource partition, this one is very mutual understand. Okay, when the two components are sharing the, I mean are located on one particular area, that particular area is having limited resources. When the limited resources are present in one particular area, that limited resources wise two species, I mean not only two, or different organisms, different species organisms are utilizing that common food resources. On that time all organisms are ready to share that food resources. Okay, coexistency, both are either two species or many more, whatever it, all are coexistence, that they are all are mutually come to the one statement. That for your understanding wise I will give one example. Did you see in that Jungle Book movie? In that Jungle Book movie, in the starting wise all the forest animals are come and form to the one group. They are discuss one thing. This is the summer season. In the summer season the water availability is very less. So what is the water availability is presence in now, that water we should be used properly. So that water places, water bodies are utilizing by the all the forest animals by the time to time. Morning one type of organisms will come and take it water. So when the different species are utilizing the one common resources, that time resources partitions they want to do. That when they are doing the resources partitions, automatically all the species will get a benefit. That only coexistency. And then partitions of resources. Okay, then what are the resources are available, that resources they are partitioned, these part is yours, these part is yours, so that they are doing the partitions of the resources. This is about competition. This is about competition. And then next another interaction, commensalism. In this commensalism, in the interactions of the two organisms, one organism will get benefit, another organism not at get benefit, not at get any harm also, not any loss also. So neutral, 0 indicates a neutral. So one organism get benefit, another organism not at either benefit and then any harmness also not at there. So here I mentioned commensalism, interaction between the two species, one species get benefited, other either harm nor benefited, not at anything. Okay, here examples, example should be remember in the NEET based some of the questions based on the examples only. So orchids are growing as an epiphyte. Epiphyte means, phyte means plant, that plant grown on the another plant, such a type of plants we called as a epiphytes. Adaptations time we discussed, epiphytic plants are having the velamen roots, recall that one, velamen roots, they are absorbing the moisture from the atmosphere, correct now. So such a type of epiphytic plant, which one orchid is one of the epiphytic plant, that epiphytic plant grown on the mango tree. Okay, here mango tree is giving the shelter and nutrition to the orchid. When that orchid is growing on the mango tree body surface branches, mango tree not at get any problem, not at get any benefit. Okay, here mango tree beneficiation is a neutral, but orchid is getting the benefit, shelter it is getting, and then nutrition from the mango tree, that is also it will get. So here commensalism time what I said, one species getting the benefit, another species is a neutral condition kada. So orchid and mango tree interaction is an example for the commensalism kada nanna. Interaction completed, then barnacles grown on the backside of the whale. Okay, by that barnacle can easily move with along with the whale, whale easily moving to the one place to another place. By the movement of the whale, barnacle also will be along with whale, it will be reached at different places. From the different locations onwards, it will get food. Okay, so migration wise, movement wise, barnacle adapted with the whale. So here, when the barnacles are attaching with whale, whale not at get any benefit and any problem, but barnacles will get benefit. It's a changing of their location, gathering of the food items from the different locations. So that is a best example for commensalism. And then egrets, always egrets mean some of the grass fields we seen these egrets, always present nearby the cattle, grazing animals, nothing but when you are cow is grazing the grass in the grass field, and that time along with nearby that cow, some of the egrets will be present, because when the cow eating the something different grass in the grass field, always grass leaf onwards, some of the insects will be come out, that insects will be eaten by these egrets. Are you catch my point? Egrets are nothing but simply just like a crone, some of the birds, that birds always rotate nearby the cattle animals in the grazing field. When the cattle animals are grazing their food, always they are moving the one place to another place, and situationally it will be move the tail for avoiding of the something insect on their body. So when they are moving their body, automatically in the surrounding places of grass onwards, something small insects will be come out. In that situation, these egrets catch that insect. Okay, so egrets are getting benefit by the cattle. Okay, but cattle will not get any benefit from the egrets. Okay, that is one of the example in the commensalism. Okay, then next mutualism. Next one, mutualism. In the mutualism time, mutual benefit. When the interaction of the two different species, that two different species also will get benefit. Examples I will say, that examples from the childhood onwards you have studied, you are all are very well known. Okay, mutual understand. Mutual understand. In this time I will be use one funny thing in this explanation wise. Mutual benefit. Mutual benefit, especially this word is very famous in the wife and husband. When the wife and husbands are mutual understanding to themselves, automatically their life will be peaceful. When the wife and husbands are not at mutual understanding, automatically their life will be spoil something problems in their life. So mutualism time both organisms will get benefit. Example, lichens and then rhizobium. Lichens and rhizobium. Lichens, my pronunciation lichens, maybe your pronunciation lichens. Okay, whatever it is. Lichens or lichens, a symbiotic association of the fungi and algae kadanana. Here fungi cannot prepare their own food. Okay, fungi can take out the nutrition from the soil, but algae cannot absorb the nutrition from the soil. See, lichens, it is a symbiotic association of the fungi and algae. Here fungi will give the nutrition to the algae, algae will give the food particles to the fungi. So both are mutually benefited. There is no any loss of the associated organs, I mean interaction organisms, living things. And one more example, rhizobium bacteria presence in the Leguminosae plant. Leguminosae plant onwards, rhizobium bacteria will get a shelter and then something nutrition. By that one, rhizobium bacteria to give the nitrogen fixation, already you know, so that's why only I didn't write on the board. Nitrogen fixation, these two, okay va? And then very most important thing, pseudocopulation. Pseudocopulation. What is a pseudocopulation? Copulation means a meeting of the male and female organisms are called as a copulation. Here pseudo means false. Already several times pseudocoelom or pseudocoelom means coelom is there but it is not true. Pseudopodia, poda means leg, pseudo means false leg. Like pseudocopulation means copulation is not at a real one. See here example I will say, by example you will get understand. Here orchid plants are there, that orchid plants are having the stamens and very colorful nature, flower is too much of very colorful. By the attraction of that color, honey bees will go to nearby the orchid plants. Honey bees will feel that is opposite sex of organism. So when they are meeting with the orchid, it felt something meeting or copulation process. Okay, honey bee feel like that, but orchid not at feel like. But on that time, orchid pollen grains will be attached to the honey bee. Then that honey bee will transform to the another orchid flower. It will play an important role in the cross pollination. So here both are getting benefit. Honey bee also feels a copulation feel, and orchid plant getting the transformation of their pollen grains, spread out their population. Correct only na? So both are get benefit. So that's why we seen that one under mutualism. But I am keeping the side heading is the pseudo copulation, mean it is a significance of the honey bee field. It seems like a copulation feeling of the honey bee. It is a sexual dissect. Okay, that belongs to honey bee. Understand? Then last interaction, amensalism. It is a opposite of the commensalism. In the commensalism, one organism is getting benefit, another organism not yet get any benefit or harm. But amensalism, one organism get something effect, okay, I mean loss or harmness, another one neutral. One example, by that one example you will understand. That one, penicillium, one of the antibiotic, correct na? That antibiotic will synthesis from the mold. Nothing, name is a Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum mold onwards, I mean fungi onwards. What antibiotic is synthesis? These penicillium antibiotic is synthesis. By using of these penicillium, it will kill some of the bacteria. These and all using some of the injections. When they are injected to penicillium to our body, in our body any bacteria are there that are killed by these penicillium. By synthesis of these penicillium from the mold, mold will not get any benefit. That is a natural activity of the mold. That is a natural activity of molds, okay, or penicillium notatum. But another organism, which is the another organism, bacteria is another living organism now. That another living organism will get harm or lost their life. So bacteria is a negative indicate, mold is not at any benefit or anything. So it is a neutral. It is a general characteristic of these mold, penicillium notatum mold. So in this video, we discussed about the amensalism. Amensalism, one organism get harm and another one neutralism, pseudocopulation under the mutualism. In the along with these pseudocopulation, rhizobium and leguminaceae plant interaction and lichens interaction in the under mutualism we seen, commensalism we seen. What are the different examples in the commensalism? And very most important thing, computation. Very most important computation. In that computative release Gauss principle. These two are very important.